I'm Sanjay from Trader Edge. I'm the executive chef here. Today I'm making Lemon Posset. It's a very simple dessert that has 5 ingredients. It starts with 6 cups of cream, 2 cups of sugar, juice from 6 lemons, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1/4 tablespoon of nutmeg. I'm going to start off with the 20 mm stove, thick bottom pan, cream in the pan, along with the sugar, and in medium heat I'm going to bring this to a boil while whisking. So while this comes to a boil, make sure you get ready with another bowl and a strainer. We need to strain this once this is done. And how this custard works is that we add the lemon juice to this and it curdles the cream, and that's how it sets in the fridge. So make sure you get your bowl ready, and today I'm going to add this into these ramekins, and you can use whatever insert you want to use to set this in the fridge. So make sure you get that ready while this is boiling. It'll probably take about 5 to 8 minutes. So it is coming to a boil now, so we're going to turn the heat down to low. I'm going to add the lemon juice, vanilla, and the nutmeg. Get it all mixed in. And turn off the heat and pour this into the bowl with the strainer. And then into the ramekins. This recipe will make about 12 ramekins, and you can scale it down to about half and make about 6, and you can always put it in the fridge and consume within about a week. So this goes in the fridge for about 3 hours, then it will be set. Once it's set, you can add different toppings to it. You can add berries, you can add a berry compo, you can even brulee it. So it's very easy, only 5 ingredients, and cooking time is only about 20 minutes. So hope you get to make it, and I'll see you next time.